With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the broken screen. We release the screw. Now let's remove the metal bracket. Here we have the connector of the screen. Before glue the new screen, you must check if the screen is working properly. Before glue the screen, we have to clean the old adhesive from the middle frame. We clean with an anti-static brush. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. We apply industrial adhesive glue depending of the color of the device. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.